Poopy poopy everywhere. Poopy poopy in my underwear. Poopy poopy here it comes. Ha 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 ha. Take that stupid truck.
Man, it sure is a lovely day today.
Why are you in your swimsuit, Mom?
Because I was helping your dad with something.
Oh, that makes sense.
Also, did you poop on the truck?
Yes, I did.
Oh my God. Caillou. How dare you poop on the truck? That's it. I'm getting your dad.
Boris, can you come over here?
What's wrong, babe?
Caillou pooped on that truck behind you.
Caillou, how dare you poop on the truck? That's it. You are grounded for 74269063086457 years. Go to your room right now. So, you ready, babe?
Whenever you are, baby.